Friends, we welcome all of you to your favorite channel. Friends, today our presentation begins with a film released in the year 1996, although film was average. But a song became so popular that no street was left where this song was not played, whereas actress of this song became heartthrob for the millions. Everyone became crazy about the actress's immense beauty and particularly her curly hair. Going further and discussing about the actress, first listen the much hyped song, and we are damn sure that after this you all will recognize this hot and sizzling actress. Hope you all must have remembered this song and recognized the charming actress. If not, then must tell you that she is none other beautiful Suman Ranganathan, and film was Fareb. Suman, who made her debut into Bollywood with this movie, made everyone crazy with her first movie itself. Suman was labeled as one of the bold actress of Hindi cinema. But despite her great start and boldness, Suman's career could not do anything special. She remained limited to just negative roles or supporting characters. You all will be surprised to know that once Suman was linked to famous actor and director Farhan Akhtar. Also, Suman was in limelight due to her personal life rather her career. Going further and talking about Suman, let's start from her professional journey first and then move to personal life. Hello and welcome again. In today's special episode we are discussing about one of the gorgeous and beautiful actress Suman Ranganathan. Suman was born on 26 July 1974 in Tumkuru, Karnataka. She started her career from South cinema industry and her first film was Kannada language movie CBI, released in year 1989. After the success of this film, Suman acted in more Kannada language films like Bala Hombale, Dr. Krishna, Santha Shishanala Sharifa and Nammura Hammera. Along with Kannada cinema, Suman also made her debut in Tamil cinema in year 1990 with movie Pudu Part 2. After this, she worked in many commercial hit movies like Parampulli, Managara Kaval, Kurumbukkaran, Unnai Varthi Padugire, Mettupatti Mirasu and Mudal Udhayam. Suman received accolades for work in South cinema and was well recognized there. After some time she made her Bollywood debut. Now let's talk about Suman Ranganathan's professional journey into Bollywood. Suman started her journey with the film Fareb, released in year 1996. In her first film itself, Suman gave a lot of bold scenes and was labeled as bold actress. Despite being remake of Hollywood movie Unlawful Entry, film was highly appreciated. Till today songs are popular and somewhere or other one used to hear it. Suman remained active in Bollywood as well as in South industry and also meanwhile moved to Bengali movies. However, she was not getting recognition as per her expectations as well as offers she wanted. Despite all this, Suman often used to hit media headlines due to her personal life, which ultimately affected her career. Later we will try to showcase you how her filmy career could not take off due to personal life, and also what allegations was revolving all around in media regarding her husband. But now let's move ahead and talk about Suman Ranganathan's career first. After Fareb, Suman much accolade multi-starrer movie Aa Ab Laut Chale was released in year 1999. In this film, Suman got chance to share screen with Akshay Khanna, Kader Khan, Aishwarya Rai and veteran superstar Rajesh Khanna. Suman's character of Indo-American socialite Loveleen was much appreciated and loved. After this film, Suman was seen in many big projects, but mostly in side or supporting roles. Apart from being part in many multi-starrer movies, Suman's career could not picked up in Bollywood. Talking to Suman's major films in Bollywood list includes Fareb, Ab Lord Chale, Bagban, Agaj, Ek Stree, हम तुम्हारे हैं सनम, मुझे मेरी बीवी से बचाओ, हम हो गए आपके. Suman was last seen in Bollywood in the year 2008 in movie Gumnaam.
सावन ने कहा चुपके से
अगर तूने मुझे छुआ तो इसकी सारी गोलियां तेरे सीने के पार हो जाएंगी.
Seeing no good project and offer in Bollywood, Suman Ranganathan started moving away from Bollywood and focusing more in the South industry. Suman had worked in different language which includes Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam, Bhojpuri, Bengali. Apart from movies, she was part of many reality shows and events. It is to note here that Suman was in the judges team in the Mr. India World competition held in the year 2007. Suman is also active in modeling and fashion shows. Despite being very bold and beautiful, why Suman Ranganathan's career could not flourish is a matter of concern, which we will discuss further. Also next we'll tell you whereabouts of Suman at professional and personal front. Moving further, request you to kindly like and subscribe our channel and also give your valuable feedback regarding Suman Ranganathan. Coming to Suman Ranganathan's personal life, she often remained in headlines due to her love affairs and relationships. Starting from Suman's modeling days, her name came into limelight with actor-director Farhan Akhtar. If media reports are to be believed, Suman and Farhan were in relationship for quite a long time. In initial career days, Farhan did not want to get tied in any bond, and due to which, both of them parted ways later. Also to mention here that both were preparing for their debut in Bollywood at that time. After separation from Farhan Akhtar, Suman's name was linked to actor Rahul Roy. Not only this, if media reports are to be believed here, Suman and Rahul also wanted to get married. But here too Suman had to face the pain of separation. It is also said that Rahul Roy had helped Suman a lot in starting her career in Bollywood. After Rahul Roy, industrialist Uru Patel entered into Suman's life. But this relationship also could not last long as earlier. And soon the news of their differences started making headlines in the media. Suman made many allegations against Uru, while Uru also retaliated against Suman, saying that she acts more in real life than real life. Finally, their relationship ended quite bitterly.
सीधे जाकर बोल दो, दादाजी, मैं पूजा से प्यार करता हूँ और उसे
Suman Ranganathan, who was constantly witnessing ups and downs in her personal life, found her true love fulfilled in the year 2000 in the form of model Gautam Kapoor, which after initial meetups and friendships turned into marriage. Suman thought that soon there will be stability in life. But here too destiny perhaps did not approve of this. And soon news of estrangement between them started coming into media, which finally resulted in divorce. And once again Suman Ranganathan was left all alone in her life. But soon after some time, producer Banti Walia came into Suman's life, and soon both of them got married. But like earlier, this time too Suman got humiliation in her share. And soon the news of the rift between the two started making headlines in media. In the year 2006, news of fight between Suman and Banti Walia came to light at famous producer Ekta Kapoor's party. After a few days of which, the news of separation also came out. At the same time, allegations were leveled from both sides. If media reports are to be believed, Banti had accused Suman of having relationship with her cousin and gym trainer. Even Bunty marked that he had caught Suman with an evidence. After a lot of allegations and counter-allegations, both of them finally separated. And once again Suman Ranganathan was left alone in her personal life. After separating from Bunty Walia, Suman got busy in her career and became more active in the South cinema industry. After many years, once again in the year 2019, Suman came into limelight due to her personal life. Actually, once again Suman had married Sajan Chinnappa, a businessman from Karnataka. Hope this time Suman found her true love which she was looking for. At present Suman is busy in both her family and career. Also Suman is quite active in social work. Suman, one of the bold and glamorous actresses of the 90s, famous for her curly hair, could not show any special magic in her career. It is to believe that due to many ups and downs in her personal life, Suman could not pay much attention to her career, and despite being very bold and beautiful, her film career could not reach the heights which she had expected. However, still today Suman is active in the South industry, while she has distanced herself from Hindi cinema. Suman Ranganathan fans is waiting eagerly and hoping that she will soon make comeback in Bollywood and will entertain once again by her sizzling avatar. Hope that you all liked this episode. Before leaving, we request you to tell us your opinion about Suman Ranganathan in the comment box. And for now, please give us permission to say bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.